When does 1 plus 1 not equal 2?
Just 1 month after time. And we just go and juggle and we get round the sea.
Yeah.
So we have to have little things to get round to what we're going to do.
I go on peeps, don't know your boy Jnel back in the place with season 2 of the questions, and this is the first episode, and right now we're there in Black River, St. Elizabeth. I know say a long time the Black River people them cuss me. So you wanna Black Rivers, you can't stop cussing now because Jnel finally there. You understand? We're finally there and we're gonna mash up the place right now. That's it, so without further ado, let's just kick off the show. You understand? Hold on. Hold on.
Regine.
Hold on.
Regine, you need yourself.
Hold on. Let me ask you your name. What's your name?
Q1s 876.
Hold on. So, people don't know already. Like, brother, you really there everywhere that I got. Oh, go on. Where you at?
I'm there everywhere, bad man in the music. The man, you know, start selecting with the man Q1 Entertainment. You see me? You know, we play sound everywhere, bad selector. You see me? I say so there everywhere, brother.
No, man, peeps. I signed. You are peeps. Without further ado, you don't say I'll be a madness go on already. Without further ado, I'll kick it off right now. So you don't know your boy Jnel and we're out. Yeah, man. Big up energy. Man, they even wait to blow. How can I sign this? First thing I do, you don't know, give me a name.
Mario Scotty Pippin.
Trisiana Baker. Omarian.
Which school is that?
Lacovia. Yeah.
Angela Balls.
My name Delroy, otherwise Anthony man, you know?
Tony.
Yeah, Tony.
Bennett. So we are juggling some fish shots, so we're going to show you what going on in our
Cool,
bucket.
yeah.
So we have it now, I sell it by the bag.
Yeah.
So you don't know, say boy, I have a ketchup, make some money.
Yeah.
So you don't know
Also.
how it is.
Also.
Yeah.
You know, say Sanjay Bent, you know.
Joanne Evans.
Yeah, that me then call Ratty, you know, a famous rat man, you know, you see, a.k.a. J.
So why them call us up?
So you don't know, you know, I run them down and catch them and kill them, you know. Yes, I.
Tashi.
Gaza.
Gaza. Cartel there in the place, you see me?
Grades, you know?
Grades. So Gaza and grades.
Yeah. Geo.
Nate.
That one, you know? Garnet, Mr. Silk.
What?
Garnet, Mr. Silk.
Hold on. So you name Garnet Silk?
No, they call me Mr. Silk. But Garnet is my original, you know?
Oh.
Scribbles. For Instagram.
Scribbles.
Yeah.
Oh, you get that name then?
Well, from high school.
High school.
Yeah, you know, as a part of the female them, so you know.
Yeah.
So me joke and thing, so them just give me that name that we just run with it.
CPJ.
Eh?
CPJ.
What that mean? What?
I'm on Caribbean producers, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Anthony Baker.
Chang.
Oh, Chang. So everything. Yeah.
Fine, you know. Fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Chang.
So, you don't know them run a little business, right? I say, what do you with like? I want to sell anything.
We sell dog. Hot dog, but
yeah. Them sell hot dog. You don't get the gif. Who do you get the gif? Them sell hot dog and them thing there, isn't it? Juice and them thing there. What do butterflies have? Wings or feather?
Wings. Butterfly have wings. Well,
Wings.
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 Yeah.
Wing.
Wings.
well, as a butterfly always having wing. Pretty wing in many colors.
Wings.
Wings.
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright, then I say they have what I call the wing, you know.
Wing.
Yeah. Cause fowl a feather.
Yeah.
That is.
Wings.
Oh, you say sure.
Birds have feather and butterfly have wings that they fly.
Wings. Wings.
Wings.
Wings are feather.
Wing.
Oh, you know that.
Because they fly with their wing.
Oh. So we fall fly with.
Fall on fly.
Wing.
Why you so sure?
I'm sure, man. See them all alive. Wings.
Wing.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wings.
Butterflies. Wing.
Wings are feather. Bird have wing. Butterfly. Butterfly. No, no, no.
Wing.
Wing.
Butterfly have wing or feather?
Fly.
What's the difference between a dress and a frock?
Between with party address. So we just come from out of OTC, you know, and just come in Black River, come sell some fish.
Yeah.
So when we don't sell the fish now, we can look dry if we go home.
What's the difference between a dress and a frock?
Yeah, a dress. And a frock.
Boy, I don't really know that one. I tell you the truth.
A dress, it just fit pan you and the frock, the bottom of it just up in. No.
You don't know. Alright, what you say?
I say, no, say, I would say one shorter than one though.
One shorter than
No, yeah.
A dress. A dress and a frock.
Yeah.
A dress. Where you live or where you come from, or like a place. And a frock.
What you say, Michi?
Yeah, man, same thing.
I dress and a frock. I same thing, man.
Same thing.
Same thing. A dress and a frock. When you dress, you look more modern. Understand?
Yeah.
A frock now is like a most old people thing, like they wear them something. You understand? Yeah.
Address would have be the location where you live. And frock would have be same thing as a dress, but have a female that wear.
A dress and a frock. A dress and a frock.
Yeah.
I just want one place, man. I just want one location where you live.
Yeah.
You see me? And a frock. Woman wear, what we call it in Jamaica.
The difference is one shorter and one longer. Yeah.
What's the difference between a dress and a frock?
A dress and a frock. Alright. A dress is a ladies thing and a frock, you know, you don't call it, you know, a frock tail and a skirt tail I go out the road.
When does 1 plus 1 not equal to 2?
When 1 plus 1. Not it. Repeat the question again for me.
When does 1 plus 1 not equal to 2? I don't know.
No, so I don't know that one. I must negative when I add negative or something. I don't know. I don't know.
Sorry, cause you not add them together.
When does 1 plus 1 not equal to 2?
No, when does 1 plus 1 equal to 2?
No, not equal to 2.
Because 2 no control you again still, you know.
See, that's the part I talk about. That's the stuff I do laugh at.
Wait a second. What make you say that?
And nobody no control you again, you say you have to come with 3. 1 3.
1 3.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Eh?
When does 1 plus 1 not equal to 2?
Yeah.
Never.
1 plus 1 have to equal to 2. I must one mistake. Yes.
Don't try that. Don't try that one.
1 plus 1 are always equal to 2.
When does 1 plus 1 not equal to 2?
When any one of them cross me, it ain't never gonna be 2. It's gonna be nothing.
Yeah. That's like a pair, a couple.
I get that. What do you mean?
When does 1 plus 1 don't equal 2?
Yeah.
No mess when you and your girl there.
No, God!
When does 1 plus 1 not equal to 2?
1 plus 1 not equal to 2. Two.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Question, which is episode 1 of season 2, and you don't know we're in a Black River. But as you guys can see, the questions were kind of easy, you know? Yeah. So what I want you guys to do is like, share, and also subscribe. And after you subscribe, just click the notification bell so you get notified after every video. Follow me on Instagram, that Jnel _1. Follow Buhn too. Buhn_reactions. You understand? You get that? Buhn_reaction. Buhn as in B-U-H-N, not bull. Because I always say bull. Buhn_reaction. You don't know your boy Jnel? Black River, big up on yourself. And I'm out.